Do plant-based omega-3 fatty acids prevent fish burps? Imagine taking a supplement that promises the health benefits of omega-3 fatty acids without the unpleasant after-effects often associated with fish oil. Many people who supplement with fish oil report experiencing fishy burps or a lingering fishy taste after ingestion. This common side effect can discourage consistent use of omega-3 supplements. But could plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids offer a solution? To understand this, it is important to recognize the different types of omega-3 fatty acids. Fish oil supplements primarily contain two types: eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid. These are long-chain omega-3 fatty acids derived from marine sources. They are highly beneficial for cardiovascular health, brain function, and inflammation reduction. However, their chemical structure makes them prone to oxidation and decomposition, which can lead to the fishy smell and taste associated with fish oil supplements. Plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, on the other hand, mainly consist of alpha-linolenic acid, which is a short-chain omega-3 fatty acid found in sources such as flaxseed, chia seeds, walnuts, and algae. The body can convert alpha-linolenic acid into the longer-chain forms, but the conversion efficiency is relatively low, often less than 20%. This means that while plant-based sources provide omega-3 fatty acids, the amount of eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid produced may be limited. Regarding the prevention of fish burps, research indicates that plant-based omega-3 supplements, especially those derived from algae, tend to have a milder or no fishy aftertaste. This is because algae-based supplements contain the same long-chain omega-3 fatty acids as fish oil but are processed differently, often resulting in fewer oxidation products that cause the fishy smell. Additionally, many algae-based omega-3 supplements are formulated to be free from the oxidation products that cause fishy burps, making them a potentially more tolerable option for sensitive individuals. Furthermore, some studies suggest that the encapsulation techniques used in plant-based omega-3 supplements can reduce the likelihood of fishy aftertaste and burps. These techniques involve coating the oil to prevent oxidation and improve stability, which can significantly diminish the fishy smell and taste after ingestion. In summary, plant-based omega-3 supplements, especially those derived from algae, are generally less likely to cause fishy burps compared to traditional fish oil supplements. Their formulation and processing methods play a significant role in reducing the oxidation products responsible for the unpleasant aftereffects. For individuals seeking omega-3 benefits without the fishy aftertaste, choosing high-quality algae-based supplements may provide a more comfortable and effective option.